Hello, in this lesson, we will create an intermediate relation object, employee go. Before we start it, I want to tell you what the intermediate relation object is and what we can do with it. An intermediate relation object is used to connect the two objects when modeling a many-to-many relationship. In this scenario, an employee could be related to multiple goals, and a goal could also be related to multiple employees. There is many-to-many relationships between employees and goals. Okay, after the analysis, let's start with Object Manager. Click New. Choose Intermediate Relation Object. We are going to name this object Employee-Go. And then scroll down. Here we have to select two objects to relate. Click the left bar, choose the goal. Then the right one we choose employee. Also we can change the order. Then we can save it. You may find that there are a bit different from before. The system didn't remind us to set the name field. In fact, intermediate relation object has no name field. Let's click this object and go to Fields and Relations. In addition to the system fields, we will find that there are two master detail relationship fields which generated automatically. The field relate employee is related to the name field of object employee. The field relate goal is related to the name field of object goal. In the intermediate relation object, we could new fields or just copy them from the master object. Here, we will click on the More Options button next to the New. Copy master object field. Choose master object goal. Select due date, start date, progress, and status, and then click Save. Click the More Options button again. Choose Master Object, Employee, and select Email, Position, and Salary, and then click Save. All of this data in the intermediate relation object would be shown as a related list under their master objects. We are able to configure it as a page settings. Okay, let's stop here. In next lesson, we will get to know tree object. See you next time.